Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to NinjaTrader Live. I'm Tracy Shuchart, Senior Economist, and here are the headlines while we were away. We had a 5- and 2-year auction, which can be best described as remarkably unremarkable. We had the 5-year, the larger of the two, was a $70 billion sale. We had dealers come in weaker than usual, yield at 3.626%, bid to cover 2.3%. Earlier, the twos came in pretty close to on the screws, stopping at 3.504%, kind of weaker than some were hoping for. And altogether, generally, none of these stats were particularly noteworthy. So, meh on the bond auctions. Looking over to the options market, we have the options market is treating FOMC meeting like any other Wednesday, with the S&P 500 expected to shift just 1%, according to data from CBOE Global Markets. Not very surprising. We already know that a 25 basis point is pretty much a done deal at almost 100%. It really will just matter if they mention QT and when they're going to begin rolling that off, whether it's in October or December. We have Qualcomm soaring after they took aim at NVIDIA with an all-new AI chip. So the AI narrative is not dead still. The company said that they have a new AI 200 lineup starting shipping next year that will rival NVIDIA. So we'll see how that goes. The rumor mill has started on the OPEC meeting that I mentioned this morning that we were going to have this weekend, and also in the chat. So, of course, delegates, and I use quotes, delegates say that the OPEC-based case is a small scenario, a small hike, another 137,000 barrels today per day to be discussed. Let me just say that still the alliances plan haven't been formed. They haven't met yet. Crude remains in flux. We don't know what's happening with Russian sanctions. So we're pretty much going to hear about this all week, and probably rumors even more to the upside, a little crazy. We did see crude pulled back on that a little bit, but we're down 17 cents on the day right now, so no huge reaction on that one. Soybeans keep surging. We're pulling back a little bit into the grain close, but it did rally all afternoon while we were away. Obviously, that is hopes on this deal with China, being that they literally stopped oilseed buying from the U.S., and this was part of the trade talks. And then we had kind of wheat give a sympathy bid, also up 2.34% on those negotiations. Then we have Google teams up with energy giant to revive long-shuttered nuclear plant. Google just announced a new partnership with NextEra Energy, which is soaring on this news right now, to restart Iowa's only nuclear plant to meet the growing needs of AI, obviously, and strengthening America's clean grid. The plant, it was the Duane Arnold Energy Center in Palo, Iowa, is expected to reopen in 2029 after it closed in 2020. So nuclear still all the buzz. That was about the third nuclear announcement today. So interesting times in that market. And those are the headlines moving markets today. I will pass this off to Jim for an Edge report.
Thank you, Shai. Unlike the Treasury auctions, you are remarkably remarkable. Let's talk about a couple markets here that are on my radar screen right now. We have heating oil. This is ultra low sulfur diesel. I have a daily candle chart up on the screen right now, and you can see we're kind of in bull mode right now. We have some targets to think about as well. We really started rallying off of on this on October 17th, and this is just moving upward at a rapid pace. We have a double top right now from the highs back in September 25th this year. We have another target, another area of resistance up here, a little bit further north. We had that bit this summer, around July 15th-ish was the middle of that area of resistance. So that's a 2.47. And then we have that January 17th high, which intersected with this June high also at 2.6430. So heating oil is on the move, and it's looking a little different than the underlying crude oil market. Let's shoot over to the copper market, though. This is also an interesting market today. Pop up the charts really quickly here, and let me get this data in and situate these charts a little bit more. We're pouncing up against the top of the consolidation range. This thing is moving. We have really nice resistance right now. We're kind of trading through. This is 5.14. We're just have a little bit of a doji looking like formation so far. Possible turnaround doji, but any close above my rectangle here is positive in my mind. This is another step up for Dr. Copper. All the moving averages are sloping up nicely here. They're looking pretty good. We have a stochastics crossover as well. So this is looking bullish to me at the moment. Intraday, you know, we have a really picture perfect session volume profile with the point of control right in the middle here, but we are just south of that point of control, 5.17, give or take. We're also below the session VWAP right now, and we have been below the session VWAP really all day, just about. But we'll see what happens toward the close here. But again, really nice volume profile with that point of control beckoning right now. If this does move, we have some targets on the downside. We have JAX2 at 5.15, and then we have that 0 DTE put support all the way down by that green line down here at 5.12. Below that, well, I'd be surprised if we break through the lows today, but we do have that 0 DTE call resistance level at 5.10. On the upside, we got JAX1 at 5.2, and we have that one-day max at 5.21. Let's shoot over to the 30-year Treasury bonds for our last market we're going to look at. And let's get the data into the chart right now. Daily chart. So we have a big bid. Remember, this is an anticipation possibly of FOMC among other things. Last time we had an FOMC meeting, here's what happened. We ended up red on the day, closing down right by this area of used to be resistance for a long period of time, 117 and 11/32. And since then, we've been kind of rallying up. We have a really nice rally. This retracement failed. This retracement trail, we got down to 50%, didn't quite do it. We wicked through that 21 EMA today, but buyers brought us all the way back up, almost to the 23.6% retracement right now. And we did take out that high target wick from the last FOMC meeting. So this is a little bit anticipatory. I don't know what the cash yields are right now, but my guess is it's less than that 4.6 that's on your screen. Intraday, let's take a peek here. I mean, this was really kind of a sell-off, a rally, a pause, and then a rally again. We're trading at 118.24. We do have a target up here at 0 DTE call resistance at 119 even, and then R1 is slightly above that. We'll see if we can get there or not, even though the VWAP bands are starting to kind of flatten out a little bit at the top, that first and second standard deviation band. And right now on the downside, well, we got that, 118.16. That's a high vol level there. And of course, the VWAP itself, we lost VWAP in the rearview mirror for 430. This are 30-minute candles, everybody, on my chart. So that is the story. That is today's Edge report. We are going to transition over to the remaining portion of our qualifying Cup 3 with Leo, Kane, Xyzeee. Who else is with us? Market Mommy, a.k.a. Salty. And we also have Kane. Did I say Kane? Let me do this whole thing over again. We have Carmine, Xyzeee, Leo, TTrades, and Salty. Let's do it, guys, and best of luck in this afternoon session.
Jim?
Thank you, Jim.
Thanks.
Nobody look at my P&L.
Everyone's looking. Don't
Nobody
worry.
look.
Everyone's
So, guys, the
Like when you
best way
tell
to-
someone, like, don't look behind you, but, and then they're just like, turn around.
we should have set up some sort of indicator to inverse you. Everyone would be up.
Dude, I've been thinking that all day for myself. Like, if I think I should long here, I'm just going to short here.
I did that a
For
few
real.
times.
What
Well,
are you
just
guys,
to
what are you guys looking at?
Not much.
honestly, nothing.
Yeah.
Thanks,
Long
Nautilus.
from-
I gotta be honest.
Yeah. You know what really got me was that I was long gold this morning and got washed out and didn't realize it until it was too late because I didn't have a stop in. Using what happened is I got on NinjaTrader, the platform. The simulated account for this competition wasn't in my account, and so I had to switch to trading on Ninja Web, which I'm not familiar with. So I was in positions with no stops, and I didn't even realize gold was liquidating like it was. So when I looked over and saw I was down $500 in one trade, I was like, okay, well, that's not good. But
Yeah.
yeah, it's been a bit choppy.
I'm currently in a Nasdaq short. It's not playing out too well. I shorted basically the impulsive move above the high.
Yep.
But I mean, the common theme all day is just the dips are getting bought.
Right.
So
Yeah, I'm literally short
there's
everything.
there's not much substance or structure or really anything out there, in my opinion.
Yeah.
And make sure to not to forget to click that link in the description, or not the description, the comment section for the swag giveaway.
Have they done any giveaways yet?
I think Jim is going to choose it at the end of this afternoon session.
Jim is selecting the giveaway winner. I
Yeah.
wonder if that's going to be rigged or not.
Well, we rigged our pickleball game, so wouldn't surprise
T,
me.
there's a question for you.
Oh,
What's the actual reason for not showing your face? Asks the chat.
yeah, the actual reason in all seriousness is I just don't want your mom to be single. No, it's I feel like you don't need like a lot of education. If I just put my face on there, it just doesn't add anything to the videos. You're not here to look at my face. You're here to learn from the screen. So
Yeah, Jack Burton, it's kind of wild, huh? That's duality of man. Don says TT has bad hair day. Give him a break. You know, you'd be surprised. TT has absolutely no hair.
why do you have to give that away already?
Just a little teaser.
So we'll see if we can get a
I
gold
bet you
did.
TT has hair.
Maybe you guys should bet on it.
All right, now they want me to ask
I
Carmine.
will make.
They want me to ask Carmine if he likes veal parm or thin cutlets.
Gotta go with thin cutlets.
Are you guys all red for the tournament? No. No, we're all green.
It's like
I mean, I gotta be honest. I wouldn't take 90% of the
I wouldn't take 99% of these trades.
I wouldn't even be trading.
My answer is different. I'm actually this bad, chat.
What do you guys think? There's gonna be an end of day move?
No, man.
I don't
mean,
think so. I actually don't think so.
relative volume is at 64. That's the lowest I've seen in
Dude,
3 weeks.
it's been no more than like 70 all day, which is
Yeah.
crazy. Even at the open.
There's just no participation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It'll be
Gold's about
honestly
the only
tough to
thing.
make this P&L back because there's no move. So to
Right.
come back negative 1,000, the positive is like virtually impossible trading 3 micros.
Yeah. I mean, I wouldn't try to trade out of this type of being down $1,200. I wouldn't try to trade this with my own money. If I was actually down $1,200, I would just call it a day, There's nothing to trade here.
I think if we all didn't trade gold today, our P&L would look a lot different.
100%.
Dude, the craziest part is all of my
All my
gains were on
profits from
gold.
gold.
I got cooked on indices.
You're all 43
Absolutely
bucks.
cooked. My gold trades were fine. I mean, right now I've super short. I'm short CL, it's working out perfectly. Short nat gas, perfect. Gold was perfect, the long off the lows. And then indices is just I'm just cooking myself so hard.
I'll be honest, I don't even have a stop on this Nasdaq. I'm just holding it.
It's too late for a stop now. The stop is
Hey,
end of
it
day.
worked for your gold trades, so why can't it work for Nasdaq?
It did not work for my gold trades, TT.
Oh, well, that's what happens when you have a stop loss, I guess.
Pretty sure
Mm.
that NinjaTrader web platform is just the same as Tradeovate. So it's just a right click on the mouse will put in a stop if you
I
click it on the
mean,
DOM.
as somebody who has never used this platform, that's great to hear 6 hours later. Thank you.
Wait, when I right
The
click
spirit of
price,
competition, baby.
Well,
it doesn't put a stop in for me.
see, I don't know if it's like because I use the Tradeovate website, so I don't know if it's the same or not, like if the mouse functions are.
I was
So
trying to set up ATM like 5 minutes before we got on stream this morning. Because normally I would be on the NinjaTrader platform, but like I mentioned, my account wasn't there. So I had to switch gears 10 minutes before we started.
Are you
Unfortunately,
trading personal funds or is this on demo? This is on
this
demo.
is a fun competition. We can't even participate in the winnings of the final cup. So for
We get
me,
charity.
it was just trying to out YOLO my friends.
Can
Me
you
and Kane came out the
simultaneously?
gate like super hot, instantly down like $600.
Can you simultaneously trade 3 contracts of micro and mini Nasdaq? No, the contracts are limited to the micros.
I think you misread it. He's saying gold and Nasdaq at the same time, which you can do.
Oh, yes, you can. Yeah. Well, that's the thing is like the challenge allows you to trade 5 markets, MNQ, MES, 6E, micro gold, and micro CL. So I think the biggest thing I would have done differently today is just traded NQ and nothing else. Because had I done that, I would have been, my results would have been different. Now it's easy to say that in retrospect and hindsight, but the fact is, the lesson for me is that there's a reason that I only focus and trade one market intraday, because I get lost in, when I'm focused on one market, I really don't care about what else is going on. So that gold move caught me by surprise. I didn't realize how big of a liquidation gold had today until I looked at the chart, like zoomed out a little bit. I don't know about you
That's
guys.
a good point you made there, like trading, one market or the market you're used to.
Right.
It's tough too as order flow traders without being able to see everything and focus on one market's order flow. Trying to
Plus,
like
they all have different patterns and like volatility, like aspects to them that are just like the Nasdaq's completely different than the S&P.
Right.
chat,
Like
you guys
different.
are crazy.
I've never
Least
sold gold
estimator.
before.
It's not too late to delete that comment. Trey 603.
Wait. Whose
These
comment?
guys are. Someone says, "I bet all my money to XYZ." Thanks. Another guy says, "I still think XYZ will win today."
I mean, they should have learned from the last competition. That's why you came in last place last time. You're just consistent.
Consistency is the key, baby.
Oh.
Yeah, I got cooked off the open because I thought it was a smart idea to try to trade every single asset. I was like, there's no chance
That
I'm
was
gonna
the
win
biggest
unless I do
mistake
that.
I made. Yeah.
For sure.
And I got
Yeah.
cooked. Well, Euro was up, oil was up. I got cooked on the indices. Those all came back. And then luckily gold covered all my losses from the indices.
Nice.
You
That
don't
was
have to
about
do
it.
nothing, TT. You'll be
Yeah,
number
I'm chilling. You did 500 trades today. I think I'm at like 30 or something, which is kind of absurd. Maybe not 30, 15.
You just figured out you can't trade 5 markets on a 1-minute time frame at the same time. Yep. That pretty much sums it up.
So is anyone not in a position on all 5 markets right now?
I'm not in anything.
I'm not
Oh,
in
actually, yeah. T and Salty don't have to be in a position right now.
I'm not in 6E. I am in gold and MCL, but they're just like runners. I mean, yeah. So the only market I'm not in is 6E currently, and it's still trading at the same price that I would have been long in.
Yeah,
From
60's just moving sideways.
legit, yeah.
It's there's not much going on unless we form a reversal going lower on the indices. There's really nothing to do.
There's really, yeah, there's no other
Try to
opportunity.
trade like the nine
Like-
12s. Trade 9 12s and we'll
Yeah.
be good. Go straight to zero. Make all my money back.
I would love that.
ES has a
Nah.
different idea for sure.
Nasdaq goes to zero. Everyone loses all their money. Yeah, you win the competition. Great. Yeah, Leo. Why didn't you come to Naples, huh? Jim and I were ready to cook you in pickleball.
You were
Yeah, we were preparing. I was
just
training for a
me,
few
like
weeks. Yeah,
specifically for me.
only for you.
Wow, now that I feel special,
Yeah,
and
but
I just literally just didn't show up for you, huh?
yeah, I know. It's a bit disappointing. That was why I went on the trip.
I believe that to be false.
It's actually true. He couldn't stop complaining about it all weekend. He was just like, Leo's still not here? Where's Leo?
Yeah, we were on the bus going to dinner, and I was just
He's like, are we going to Leo's
distraught.
house? We're going to Leo's house, right?
We'll see if we can get a retracement in gold here. It's just very not clean. Yeah, never mind. Likely not. Didn't take out that high. There's just not much to talk about in the markets.
So what we usually do in the afternoons when there's not much to talk about is we make up stories.
I mean, if you're trying to say my story about pickleball and wanting you there was made up, it's not.
I believe one of those two statements to be true.
Yeah, I didn't want you there, but I did want to kill you in pickleball. Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's exactly where I was going with that.
Oh yeah. You like to barbecue?
Yes.
Someone's talking about you smoking.
Nick and Leo are the smokers of the barbecue of the crew. Brisket, ribs, pork shoulder, all those good things.
See, I would consider this gold short, but it failed to run out this high here. So I can't short away from something like that. You would have to take
Let
it
it
out.
test overnight high first.
Is it close?
It's close. I mean, 28.
Oh, the 28?
You talking about overnight low?
You mean
Overnight
overnight
low.
low? You
Did I
said
say
overnight
high?
high,
Okay.
and I was like going up.
You
I
let
was
it
like,
test overnight
dang.
high?
Yeah, I'm gonna go wait
Might as
for
well get
it
long.
to hit 4,100. We'll draw that out for him. What is
I
that?
think I'm just gonna
What do you
find
consider overnight for gold? Is it that 730?
would be gold 40.28. That's the overnight low.
Yeah, I got you. All right, I marked it out. We can watch this because I think this is about the only
I
thing
mean, that's
that's
really where
interesting right now.
that's the only interesting spot we broke from,
Yeah.
We initially bid out of it and then liquidated from there. It has not been really tested.
Yeah. I think we hit this level, then we go hit this high, and then come back lower. But it's just ranging. What do you guys do during the break? You guys get food, revenge trade?
I was on the phone with Kane. Revenge trading.
That's the one. That's the one.
Trades in the break than I did earlier.
Taking
It's
more
funny.
trades.
It's
with
funny to
Kane.
like look at the leaderboards. I was like eating my lunch and I was like, oh, nice. I see Trader Kane moving up and down a little.
I left my positions, went to go take a little nap, ate a little bit of food, chilled a little bit, came back, seeing myself down like 1,700 now. I'm like, wow,
Hey, you're up 200 from
Life
the
comes at you
lows.
fast, man.
There you go. Just pretend that 1700 was your account balance and you're up 200.
Well, this oil short going crazy right now for a whole $72, $80.
Yeah,
I
I'm
was
short
watching
from
that.
90.
When
Short
oil's
from
moving,
90.
it's moving, but when it's
It's
not
not.
moving,
It feels like it's always not moving when I'm looking
You
at it.
know, this wasn't the case the last time I traded it, like 2 years ago. That thing was pretty, it was better than NQ.
yeah, it moves more around certain levels when it comes up into certain
Yeah.
levels, or it like consolidates for a little bit. And then once it's done consolidating, then it will usually have like move up into another level or down.
I mean, it
Yeah.
looks like all you need is yesterday's close and yesterday's low for
Yeah.
oil.
The only thing is it ran it out the low before we had a chance.
What do you guys normally trade? Everything or
I trade NQ.
NQ.
For me,
Lately,
it's
gold has been really nice
yeah,
the past 2 weeks to
indices
me.
gold.
But NQ.
The
I haven't
Russell,
jumped on the gold bandwagon yet.
You
Russell
trade the
you trade?
Russell?
let's trade the Russell.
Crazy work.
Gross.
Yeah, that
Well,
is gross.
look at the Russell today.
I'd rather not.
Clean short of
I'm
in
just
the
I'd rather
Russell.
not look at the
I'm
Russell.
just kidding. Wait,
It just
I
you
mean,
see it just put in high and then it was a really easy short off the open. Looks
all
like
right, yeah,
a
fair. That
nice
was
opening
clean.
drive. It's the weakest market, so like moves the fastest and the tradable range will be a little bit better sometimes.
Oh, you could actually, yeah, you can actually frame that short off of that
Yeah.
previous
You have an
week's
ATR
high.
expansion up off the open that rejects and then nice little
Fair
short. Keep it a
Fair
tip.
enough. All right, let's see what gold's doing now. It may be interesting.
I got out of my gold long.
Where did you enter? Or is that the one you entered way early?
Earlier, yeah, 92, I think.
92. That's a sick entry.
Well, it would have been cooler if I didn't get liquidated from it this morning in 46.
Yeah. Did they margin call your demo account yet or no?
No, that hasn't happened yet, but I'm
Oh,
waiting. My
you're
phone
waiting.
is right next to me.
He's testing it. He's waiting.
Yeah. Can't call me if the phone's turned off, NinjaTrader.
Lifted trader. Did you guys force trades because of the challenge?
Yes.
Kinda.
Yes.
100%.
100%.
Little bit.
There was one valid trade within my model today, and that was it.
See,
But
the thing is we can't win the final cup earnings for first place.
yeah,
So for us, it's just more of like some entertainment,
it's
letting off
friendly.
some steam, having a little bit of fun while you guys get to trade for real money.
Yeah.
I mean, regardless of the competition or not, today would have been a hard day to
Hard
trade.
day.
Oh,
Yeah,
Oh,
for
yeah.
sure.
Regardless of the competition.
Okay,
The top place was like $2,000, I think, right now. The first qualifier round, I think top was like 7 or 8,000.
Yeah.
So, it has been tough. The markets are slow. There's really not much out there to capitalize on.
The funny thing is, like, even if you place a trade, it's like what you get 5 to 10 points. It's like $20.
Yeah, exactly.
It's like can't really do much.
During lunch, I was scalping Nasdaq for like 3 points a pop.
Oh yeah.
You feel like you're
And then I saw
winning
my
the
profit
lottery
go
when
up
you
like
hit
$5, and I was
$3.
like, yeah, I can't do this no more.
Yeah. He's like, I wonder if I can outpace commissions.
For micros, you can't.
Yeah.
Because the round trip, it's not favorable to scalp micros.
Yeah. I mean, I feel like gold's the only way to kind of get some leverage,
Yeah.
but even that's just really kind of garbage right
Yeah.
now.
Range compression in gold. It's like almost half of the ATR it was this morning.
Yeah. I wonder what would have been without a 400-point gap up.
Yeah, that's true. What's crazy is
Someone's
that with 10,000 people, for us being this red, we're still like in the top 30%, 25%.
Is that right?
Yeah, I mean, we're
Wait,
Damn.
how many people were in the
2,800, 2,300 place.
Damn.
Yeah, look at you go. Wait,
Rough
how many
trading
people
out
total
there.
were in it? Is it 10,000 people in it?
10,000.
Yeah, bro, I think if you went break even, you're like almost into the cash prize. Because I'm at I bet you have to make like $200 and you're in cash prize. Anyone in chat in the YouTube in the leaderboard or positioned for cash prize?
last time there were quite a few actually in chat that were like double digit placements.
Damn. Traded last week down
There's trading
360.
next week's. There's a qualifier 3 next week.
Oh yeah. And then what, we come back November, right?
November 17th.
That one I'm gonna not try to trade every asset at once. I learned that lesson
Yeah,
today.
for sure.
I'm gonna trade one market.
I'll trade.
Is the are the conditions the same? Is
I'm
are the
trading
limits the
one
same?
You
market.
can trade the Russell, I think. I'm gonna trade the Russell.
I'll trade the Russell with you. I've traded YM sometimes and Russell like once.
Yeah,
That's
like
only
on
like
days like this, the
specific.
Russell and YM are have better range, like tradable range. Usually you could take like opening drive rejection in the YM is always like an easy trade when that shows up. But there's a lot of
Yeah.
contracts that looks like they traded in SPX, so it's just gonna have this like little melt up.
Yeah. It sucks when it just grinds up like this because it's
Yeah,
like
and then
there's nothing to take long and it's like the downside risk of it.
like
That
there
long is not
is,
worth
let me
it.
check the
Gold's been
IV.
pretty nice today. Definitely wish I only traded gold.
Yeah.
You and
Gold
me,
gold
you and
hasn't
me
been too
both.
bad, honestly.
I feel like you and I did well on gold, but everyone else hates it.
Gold was pretty money.
Yeah.
Gold has
It's just
paid me more than NQ last week. Just the range is insane.
Usually it's
yeah.
gold's range is not like this though.
Right.
This is
Super muted.
Well, it just
unique.
depends if you get a trend day. Like if you get a gold trend day, that thing
It's
just
just so
sends.
volatile right now.
Yo, what's up, Zach? How you doing, man? You're at 600. Yeah, so if you're at like 100 or 150 to $200 on profit, you'd be like in the cash prize for today, I think. That's what it's looking like. This is so fun. Basically, my whole only anticipation for current price action is I was wanting this on gold, but I drew it out. M and Q. I'm viewing this as a little range here. So range sweep. Just want to see it go to the other side of the range. It's fairly straightforward in that regard. What does the first place prize get? Isn't it? I thought it was 8K.
8K.
Yeah, you get 8K for first place, 2,000 for second, third you get 1,000, and then fourth place through 400, not 400th, they all get $100. So quite a bit of cash prizes on the line. I mean, I don't know. Is there any way to show the leaderboard? Like switch from our charts and go to the leaderboard?
Wow, there's somebody up.
Leaderboard?
There's two people up 2K.
I know. 2K. Gotcha. So to see the leaderboard, you have to log in, go to the competition today, and then you can hit see leaderboard. And that's how you can see it. I can
Could
throw
I,
up a
could I show the leaderboard on here or no? Yeah, so this is the leaderboard right now. I mean, we're all pretty much in the red, and we're still in the top 25, 30%. of 10,000 people. First place is sitting at 2,300. 10th place is sitting at 1,200. So there's a big gap between first and 10th.
You guys, it's a trend day.
I
Yeah,
wouldn't, I guess, yeah.
yeah, it's a trend day.
Coming back to break even on the Nasdaq here.
Yeah, so gold failed to take that range high.
Carmine, you got a short on Nasdaq?
Yeah.
I got a short on at 920. This was like 24, 25.
I'm in profit now. I mean, we need a break onto the, like you said, the 15s, 12s.
Yeah, you leave this volume behind and it's gonna go straight to negative. It's actually gonna go negative.
Yeah.
My ass is clenched, I'm telling you guys. Fucking.
I know Kane's got to be a Nasdaq short too.
What was he?
He was
Yeah,
short
he
on it.
is,
Yeah,
bro.
we were
'Cause his-
both short of.
Streamer boy, we need you.
Don't worry, Kane's coming in an hour. 30 minutes.
Leo and I are gonna give up our slot for Kane, so you
Kane
guys
gets
don't
to
have
suffer,
to.
and we get to leave.
The losers have to leave. Say we're not good enough to be on the stream anymore.
Yep.
Kind of sucks gold didn't give me the sweep I wanted. Otherwise, that could have been fairly straightforward.
Somebody said Kane's getting his veneers polished.
You sure about that? You sure about that? You sure about that?
Yo, you guys have like emotes? That's crazy.
Yeah, you should come on and be a regular, TT.
Hey T, what was good with that headshot, man?
The headshot, bro, I didn't take any. I didn't take any photos with the green screen, man.
Oh yeah, you didn't do the green screen.
No. Let everyone do that. I know Sarah got a funny one. So, yeah, right here, the only thing is like, I guess we're in a range, right? So we're inside this previous 30 minutes. So you have to decide, are we going to take this range high or this range low? That's really the only reason my bias comes from that. And then because we've already taken out this high here, it just leads me to believe that low. And then gold, nothing. Because if I'm shorting gold, I'm getting short here, not when it does that. Oh, people want me on as a regular.
That's what I said.
I'm not your regular guy.
Yeah, TT, come on, be a regular.
Yeah. Maybe.
Afternoons
Maybe.
with TT.
Afternoons, a whole afternoon. The thing is, I never trade PM sessions, so I think that
Well,
would be very.
neither did I until I
We
started.
neither do we. And we do it 4 days a week
Hey,
now.
hey, there's always time to start.
How about this? How about this? I'll join you guys on a PM session one day, and we'll see how it goes.
No, I think you just have to commit to doing it.
Just commit. I'm full
Look,
time
the
PM
chat
session.
wants what they want, man.
Yeah, man.
Regular AI input is super cool. That's such a crazy comment. Is it better for trading gold with a divergence with silver or gold euro? I personally use gold euro versus silver as a correlated market, just because silver a lot of time is not quite correlated with gold. So if we head over here, normally when I'm watching gold, I just watch gold euro because it gives a little bit better of a divergence. So like you can see the divergence with gold pound here and then just gold futures.
10-point Nasdaq range in the past hour.
Brutal.
Insane.
Yeah.
What's ES? ES giving us a 2-point rate, yeah. 2-3. Cool market.
Yeah. My model printed a short, but I'm not taking that. On gold.
Yeah, I'm short gold 40.25.1.
Nice.
Cool market you got
That's
there.
true.
Would be a shame if we stopped making a move.
Let's see if I'm gonna have to trade if Salty makes me or not. I'm planning on not trading unless I have to. So now I'm very bullish gold, hopefully. Not for anything other than the reason of the competition.
I mean, just one lot, so don't sweat too much.
I'm sweating over here.
He sounds very sweaty.
Yeah, sweating.
You know, Kane's in max size.
Oh yeah.
For sure.
He's in a fat 3 lots or 2 lots or whatever you
We need to trade Globex with Leo session? No, you don't.
Globex session. Yeah, no.
Who trades Globex?
I think if you trade that though, you just gotta be on the higher time frames.
You just set alerts for levels, and then it just your phone will alert you when it's coming into the level.
No thanks. I like my evenings and my nights.
Yeah, I can't trade Globex. It'll end up like
I imagine me like cooking dinner with my wife, and an alert comes off, and she's like, "What the hell are you doing?" Like, oh, it's just my alert.
Nothing.
You're like, you keep cooking. I gotta go cook Nasdaq.
You could just size down like in the micros and then just run a wider stop. It's usually what I do. I just set limits, so sometimes like I'll just be chilling and hear my thing filled.
I like my freedom at night.
I like my freedom after 10:30 a.m.
Right.
Yeah, the longer I stay on after I've already done my work, it cannot get better. It can only get worse. It'll end up like this competition, but for real.
See, I'm deciding if I just short one, so I'm hedging the competition, not actually for the profit.
You can literally leave your desk, come back at the close, and still be in first.
I don't know, man. Gold might take a run here.
Typical Leo and Nick afternoon range. Yep. That is true.
Yeah, it looks like gold just rotated into this next traditional off of this swing high, like the halfway back. That's where it's selling off from.
Do you want to share your screen? Because I cannot see what you're saying.
Oh.
I don't know if that.
Just fib level. It's halfway back from the.
Is a half back a fib?
Yeah, 50% retracement.
Oh, you just mean from
technically, yeah.
That's not is Fibonacci halfway?
So you're
is
just
that
talking that?
Like I just call it a mid.
Yeah,
it's just a 50%.
That's just
that's not a Fibonacci number. That's just half.
I mean, you can put a 0.5 into a Fibonacci tool if you're asking me.
I mean, you could put any number into a fib tool.
There you go. It's a fib number.
Okay.
I mean, we could check.
Yeah.
What's this? Okay.
We got Zach in the chat calling out oil. Yeah, actually true. Oil longs look decent. It's more of a range trade, but yo, Euro finally is moving, I guess.
Oh, I love that.
You're long Euro, right?
I was.
Oh, you got out. That's why it started moving? Look at that. Let me guess, what time did you get out? Like 1:30? You just got out right before the pump? Nice.
I just looked at it.
Wow.
That's too funny.
That is beautiful.
Oops.
And that's great.
I will keep my word though. I'll buy dinner if I win this competition.
What you buying me? Nobu.
Taco Bell?
Yeah, I can DoorDash Nobu, just saying.
All I know is that I'll send you the money, but I better get like a tweet that's saying thanks for dinner.
I'll tweet you.
Yeah. I'll DoorDash you guys.
Nice.
With my 43 demo dollars.
That's crazy.
But I actually think oil is about the only thing, but it's more of a consolidation, but it's more of looking towards these highs in here because it just ran out low. So if it wants to come back in the range.
Someone asked, is Carmine still short NQ?
I am not. My no positions right now.
Gold going to zero?
I actually have all my
Let's-
positions still. I refuse to close any.
I don't know. I'll just check the monthly chart to see if gold's going to zero. It's looking not quite very bearish yet, but maybe next month. 3 days. 3 days if we open up. Make a move lower. Let's see here.
Are you really down 2K?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't know. Let's see.
Damn.
Yes. Yeah. These are the same
Bullish.
positions I've had when we took the break. I just haven't touched them.
That's bullish.
So what's everyone's plans for the week? Any fun stuff going on?
I gotta get ready, do some more streams, and then I'm off to Japan for 2 weeks.
No way.
Heck.
Who's covering for you, by the way?
Carmine.
Is he really?
Yeah. You
Nice.
didn't know that?
Carmine
yeah.
and T. That's why they're here. Just getting their
Hey,
feet
with
wet.
Carmine trading the afternoons. I like it.
I hear Carmine and I are gonna meet up in Sarasota.
Next time I'm
I
down
was
there.
Have a beach
considering
day.
doing the open streams, but it's like 10 p.m., 11 p.m. over there at the time. I'm like, I'm probably just gonna be so tired.
Yeah, it's not worth it.
Where are you
I'll
from,
be-
XY?
LA.
Ah,
Are you born and raised in LA?
Born and raised. Born and
Cool.
raised in LA. I'm gonna die here too. God willing. Everything is great except for the market schedule, that's for sure.
I kind of like
Yeah.
it.
I
I
don't
was
miss
just in
waking up at
Vegas
4
last week.
a.m.
It's pretty nice, no? You don't like it?
Yeah, I saw you. I saw you in Vegas. Yeah, it's cool that, well, when you trade futures, it's perfect. I get to desk late, honestly. I get anywhere from 7, like Pacific time, anywhere from 7 to like 7:30. I'm at the desk, trade for an hour, and then like your whole day is ahead of you. But it's because futures, you can do stuff like that. If you're doing options, right? You got to get up by the open and stuff like that. It's easier to scalp futures. So it works for me. It only sucks when like you're a streamer and stuff, or you're a content maker. Got to be up early, but
Yeah, XYZ is gonna be the face of my brand. He's gonna start making content for me. But he has to take his hat off for it. It's the only rule.
nah, it's gonna cost extra for that.
All right, I'll
Would you ever move to the West Coast, Carmine?
Full time now. No. It's beautiful, but
You born and raised East Coast?
yeah.
Mm.
Like California's nice, but I just can't see myself living there.
He just doesn't like taxes.
Yeah, I didn't want to say that. You did.
Yeah. I'll keep it honest.
Yeah, Aramis, if you want to watch a sleeping stream on NT Live, I can facilitate. Yeah, you could definitely tell he's from Jersey. You just hear him say a few words, you already
Yeah.
know. That's for sure.
Yeah, you already know.
Where are you from, Leo?
Oklahoma City.
Very nice.
OKC.
Yep.
You play basketball? You kind of look
Hey,
like Kevin
Trey.
Durant.
Trey, you want to see XY hat off and TT face reveal? Tune in Thursday morning. I'll
Thursday
get you that.
morning it's happening?
Thursday morning, I'll get you that.
He's doxing me Thursday morning.
Holy cow.
Thursday
What would you
morning.
do? What would you do if your camera actually accidentally came on?
Turned on,
somehow?
you'd run.
Right now, I have the OBS virtual camera on.
I know, but
got
like,
that
what if
from-
that whole setup just totally crashed? And
I'd
it's
probably
like your camera,
I'd probably throw up a peace sign and then shut my computer
like a
and
P
go for
like
a walk.
Pookie.
Yeah, Pookie for you, peace sign for everyone else.
Nice.
But chat, while we're messing around, is there anything you want us to look at for you guys? It can be any market, any time frame, whatever you want. Because there's not much to do currently. This is how you lose money. So
I also did ask the truth about the 50% being a Fibonacci ratio or not.
It's like
And
51.3 or
It's
something.
actually not. It's not a. The Fibonacci numbers are 23.6, 38.2, 61.8, and 78.6. So 50% is not a Fibonacci number. It's not derived from Fibonacci at all.
yeah, we were watching corn earlier.
So I guess
I mean, there's a lot of ratios. There's like
not.
1.6, 8,
But none of
131.
them are 50%. None of them are 50%.
You know, I would say I'll go with market mommy on this, and I'd say it's also a fib number.
I'm gonna.
Yeah, I mean, when you,
hey, this is why we're here. We can agree to disagree.
I
Yeah.
mean,
I think we get in
can
some
agree.
big beef over a 50%.
Do you want to create beef over half?
Yeah,
half
let's go.
pack?
Let's make some artificial beef on Twitter and make huge,
I mean,
huge
we could just
engagement.
ask an expert.
I did.
She's pulling up ChatGPT right now.
Yeah. She's like, okay, well, you ask ChatGPT, I'm gonna ask Claude.
Yeah. Well, for who asked about corn, I don't know what time frame you're talking about,
So
but
we
it's
have
actually interesting on the 5 minute.
381.619. There's a lot of them. 0.25, 0.375, 0.625. It's just the 50% on all of the tools by default. If you ever pull a fib up on any
Yeah, because the
single
range,
platform,
you're gonna have a range from 0 to 1. They always mark the midpoint because that's obviously a frame of reference that a lot of traders use. Like I use midpoints for a lot of things, like prior day mid. The midpoint between yesterday's high or low. But I've never considered that a Fibonacci sequence or a Fibonacci
yeah,
number.
so the
I'm
fib
literally
is
I'm just
more
like,
contingent on where it's anchored.
no, I'm literally just having fun with it. Like
I use the 50% a lot.
I
Like if
use
you
the
look at my
50%
chart,
for a lot of different things.
I
So,
always use the 50% of the previous candle.
right.
You guys tried the 41.6?
Oh, that's goated, bro. Like, why did you bring that up on stream? We can't reveal real secrets.
41 point. I've never even heard of that.
41.6.
You've never heard of it?
No, I'm gonna start using it now. You guys trying to keep all the good stuff.
Yeah, there's a lot of, I mean, there's a lot of numbers when you get into extensions like 2618, like 341, I think. I don't
Yo,
use all of
Leo,
them.
you should check out Euro.
I'm in a gold long and a Nasdaq
You
short.
should mute your camera and microphone.
You
Carmine, you're
exited
long
at the
gold
low.
I mean, come on, man.
That's
I'm long gold,
crazy.
yeah.
That's
Wait.
so crazy.
Should I annotate it?
Look at it. Oh my
ATR
God.
expansion.
Gross.
Look at that. Leo
Like,
exits long
that's a great
here
chart. That's a
and
great
just
chart.
pumps. That's how you
That's a
start some
beautiful chart.
Twitter beef
Hey,
right there.
when you send me the money for dinner tonight, will you send me that picture?
Oh yeah. I'll DoorDash you. I'll make sure the DoorDasher
The
prints it
DoorDasher
out for
prints
you.
it. Yeah, yeah.
Like that's crazy though. That's too funny though. Well, that's fun. Italian mathematician.
What about the 6767 Fibonacci number?
So I don't actually typically disclose all the coefficients I use. It's just like my thing. But
She's got hidden sauce.
yeah, so like each color is a different coefficient that I use, but as you can see, this blue is where
Very,
we
very
reacted
proprietary.
from. Did anybody else have that level?
6, 7.
40,
6,
25?
Yeah,
He was
we talked
trolling,
about
man.
it. Yeah, we did.
Wait. It was a 41.6, right?
6, 7. 41, 6, 7.
He's actually. This one's going on Twitter. I'm posting this on Twitter for you.
TTrades.
Bro, it's actually like the funniest chart.
That's so bad. It's a crime.
All right, wait, here, chat gets to decide. Put a Y
Oh,
if
I
I
know what
should
chat's
post
gonna
this on
say.
Twitter. Say an N if you I feel I shouldn't. And the first one to 10 will be the choice. You guys get to control my social media. Wow. It almost looks like I'm just they forced my hand into
What do we
posting
say?
on Twitter
Yes or
here.
no? Y or N?
Yeah. Yeah.
What's the Y for? Wait, what are we?
Look
Oh,
at all the N's.
you'll see it on Twitter.
I couldn't spam it. They stopped me from spamming it.
What's this yes or no for?
You'll see. Just check Twitter right now.
Crucible official. Who's Crucible? Damn. That's so bad.
That is so funny. Face reveal now that I'm at 400K. I hear if Trader Kane buys me a GT3 RS, I'll post a selfie.
Get in line, man. He said he was buying first.
Yo, someone said Euro's flying. Thanks, Leo. That's too good.
Oh my god. Alrighty.
I just saw Twitter.
Yeah, dollar's dying because if euro's flying, that means dollar's dying. So, yeah. I think you'll continue to these lows. So, that timing's good. Carmine, you want to talk about your gold longs?
Yeah, that doesn't exist anymore.
Did you long the low volume note?
No, I didn't even see that. Where is that? I just longed it because it was moving up, honestly.
Trading can be so simple, guys.
It was going up and I bought it.
Market go up, you buy it. Market no longer go up, no more buy. Eggy Fresh says, I still prefers JCap Tanya Lumi Trader. Hey, we don't blame you, man.
It's probably a
Me
lot more to
too.
talk about that day, too.
He forgot Stowe in there. Stowe is
Yeah,
number 2.
Stowe. I love Stowe,
I don't know
man.
if he forgot. I just think he hates him.
Oh. Fair enough.
No,
He
I
didn't
didn't
forget.
forget.
He just hates him.
No, I didn't forget.
It's like Jim introducing us this morning. He doesn't say my name. Jim just hates me. It's fine.
Dude, Kane looks so cozy right now. I'm looking at him in the zoo.
I bet his P&L ain't cozy.
He is
No
looking
one's got cozy P&L.
You know, but I did hear that Leo and XYZ wants to go get cozy, so I think we'll say goodbye to them and welcome in
Yeah.
Kane? What do we say?
All right, guys. This is it. I'm flattening everything. We're locking it in, baby. 2K.
Nice job, XY.
2K.
Yeah,
Give me
it's
that
good
golf
to
clap.
good to hang out with you guys.
Likewise, you should come back.
Yeah, I will. I'll be back. You guys get me in for an afternoon stream, and we'll see how it goes.
All right, that works. See you, chat.
See you,
Yeah,
chat.
boys.
Ciao, boys.
Kane, what's up?
How are we all?
Doing well.
It's a big load of nothing. I'm short gold. I was short NQ, but I closed it on the squeeze up. And then I was also long euro and flipped short and got crushed. Didn't even have it open.
Dang. You wanna share your screen or
Yeah,
your inside
I mean, I
position?
don't mind. There's really nothing going on, but we can switch T.
I don't know if they want to throw me off the screen and then put you on.
Just there you go. Oh yeah, I've kind of screwed my charts up. My bad. Let me just get gold over here for you. Bang. And then thank you. What you doing?
Well,
Just put,
it's starting to go.
bro, I'm not falling for this again.
I'm gonna short the Nasdaq.
I'm gonna long the Nasdaq. Thanks, Carmine. I'm just gonna long it because, to be honest, my entire day of shorting it has been disastrous. So short gold, long Nasdaq. What could possibly go wrong? I'm gonna try long the highs and sell them higher. Go long NQ for another hour. Yeah, I'm just gonna hold these trades now. No more stop losses. Just hold them, and I might even just short euro. And now we pray.
Hope and pray. It's always a good strategy.
I mean, yeah, this is a go long gold. You want me to flip long on gold?
Yeah, I'm long gold now too.
Oh, yeah, I don't hate
Yeah,
that.
gold is sending.
The hourly pullback.
I do think Nasdaq goes and runs the lows though.
The all the lows.
No, 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 just like 2 p.m. lows.
What
Just
lows,
those
T?
lows. The 2 p.m. lows. Just like that range that we've been in this
20s
PM session.
about.
Yeah,
Yeah, like the 920 low.
Sorry, what trades you in?
Flat.
Oh, you flat.
There's not really anything to take. So
Yeah.
I took this 40-25 first test.
Yeah.
I didn't want to buy the second test, and then we react to this 38 off of this low to this recent swing high.
Yeah.
So there's really like this breaks the 61. I just don't think without ATR expansion, it's not going to break this. I don't think. We'll see. You never know.
Yeah, I would normally write this day off, but in the spirit of competition, hopefully the orange man tweets something out and it sends everything in my favor. Highly unlikely, but we shall see. Yeah, someone said earlier they much preferred the Jade Cat Lumi Stowe and forget the other girl's name, Salma day. Sorry, I forgot anyone else. And I would also prefer that day because that day moved. You're gonna call the orange man for me? Thank you. How are we, chat? Is anyone in the chat placed well in the leaderboard? Do you have any top 100 people? I think for like top 100, you probably have to be above $500, maybe. Let me check. $650 or more gets you into top 100.
What is it, $600?
Yeah, 650. 655 is the current cutoff.
32. Get 35.
Sorry, what did you say?
I was just reading the chat.
Oh, 335.
So someone
Daniel,
put 32 gold target, and I have 35, so I'm off by 2 points, but he knows better than I do. Jack's in the chat, the person that taught me how to trade.
who's that?
Jack, trader on Instagram, startup
Oh,
trading.
that guy. Yeah. Cool guy.
Jack Gleason.
I have not heard of him.
He has a really cool handle. I remember that.
Send me a link on WhatsApp. I'll
Bro,
check it out.
it's just that trader.
It's just
At
trader.
Trader?
Yeah.
It's just trader.
Yo, that's a sick handle. Oh.
So this is power hour. Yeah. I don't really know how these power hours go. I'm long gold from 16.9.
You're long gold?
No, I'm long from 16. Yeah, I mean, just whatever.
I'm in at 17.
Power nap hour, yeah, maybe. I'm long at everything. I gave up with oil. Like, who wants to trade oil micros for like 10 cents a tick or whatever it is? Cut that out. T. So it's really funny, right? I always used to call him TT, but it's just TTrades.
Yeah, a lot of people call me TTrades,
Yeah,
but it's like just my first initial.
yeah. I can come back on top. Pff, I should probably buy the lottery tonight if that happens. Low volume node or order flow for gold, Carmine?
Same thing, no?
I mean, I was just asking a question that was asked in chat.
Oh, it's in chat?
Yeah, I mean, I would hope I would never ask that question.
Same thing, really.
Yeah.
You only
T
see
for
volume from the order flow.
yeah, exactly. T for Theodore. Yep, that's exactly what T means. How do people know that?
Theodore, yeah. It's not like it was Tyrone last week, but people don't need to know that.
Regardless of the trading, the communication you've had, Kane, from the chats, he is great. I haven't read chat all day. This is the first time I'm looking at it.
Yo, he's ranked 94. Hell yeah.
Who is?
Sick. Someone in chat. Scrox.
Rank 94,
That's pretty solid.
$700 on the day. The cutoff's creeping up slowly. 666. You took 10 trades today? That sounds like a light day because I've taken way more than 10 today. What about you guys?
Probably like 50, honestly.
Yeah, this is the most.
I can check my orders.
Sully, how many have you done?
Wasn't paying attention, but not a ton. I was running a tight stop, so I got stopped on a couple
Yeah.
trades,
Same.
and I'll re-enter at like a better level, but it's not a lot of nothing too much.
Scalped one short. Yeah, I mean, I would be down horrific if it wasn't for a gold long that I caught basically at the low, and I held most of it.
What are you short on the bottom left of your screen?
I'm short euro.
Euro.
Yeah.
It's like, what is that?
Yep. Short euro. Long. I'm just basically anticipating that I'm gonna be wrong if I short these. So I longed MES and MNQ, and then I also longed gold. I was joking around with these earlier. They can be deleted. But I am long gold. And the main reason I'm long gold is because similar reason really. I actually had real analysis on it earlier. So I don't treat them like this. So this is delivered. This is delivered. This is delivered. And then this was the only one that wasn't delivered. And then all I wanted to do was see a sweep of this. And then we also had this hourly sweep. So for me, all my eyes now are just draw to this. So 50%, take the low, hourly sweep, drive out of here. That's kind of where I was looking. So I was just playing some sort of short back down to this level, covered. And then, yeah. But it's pretty lackluster day for me, in all honesty.
I think NQ's gonna finally go, maybe. It is playing around.
Probably will because I'm now long.
Yeah, I'm now long as well. So
All right, shall I short it?
still time to short NQ. The chat are telling you that you should short NQ, and I've yet to be on a stream where chat have been wrong. So
I'll short one for chat.
Won't do it.
don't do it, T.
I'll do
Don't
it too.
Okay.
All right. Yo, it gave me such
Let's
a
try to
crappy
get a
fill.
good entry into a 300 tip chart.
All right.
T, this could be your downfall on a red day though, just to let you know.
Yeah. I think
You should win the competition by being red. That would be hilarious.
yo, should I win it if I put it at like $0?
Yeah, it would be funny, right?
Maybe I will do that. Get it to $0 in profit. Then you guys can tweet out and be like, TTrades didn't even show up today, but he still won.
Lamel, Eric, we're ready. We're ready. If you want to send NQ into the depths, you can do that for us.
I'm short one con.
Just so we know you're real though, if you could just like add like, you know, a couple of thousand to like 972 so we know you're real.
We need to see your orders on the market, please.
Yeah.
All right, chat. This one is for you. I'm up a massive $3.
I'm gonna I'll full port short NQ for chat.
Oh, look at Salty's going crazy out here.
Whoa,
I know.
whoa. You need T to win, so he buys everyone dinner. That's why.
Should I long here? No, I'm just kidding.
She reverses right now and then
Should
it
I just
sends.
long the top up here?
That was my plan, to be honest. I longed the top. So
I mean, it would have worked most of the day.
someone fat finger 1K contract short.
When you try to take a screenshot and you accidentally sell short on TradingView.
I don't. You know, the worst thing that happened to me was I picked up my phone once to show my position, and as I locked my screen like this, I hit the sell button and I got out of my trade. And yeah, well, that was a sad day for me.
Chat. What did you, chat's making me go for the 0.
mean, what could possibly go wrong? You have this nice trend line right here that's holding.
Yeah,
Don't
it's
forget
not
to
like
draw
we're
the safety line.
Oh,
it's
is
not like
this?
we're consolidating or anything.
I don't know how to do those. Could you tell me? Could you teach me?
So, like, if you change the color, I think it makes it stronger or safer. I don't know. If you make it like a thicker
Yeah,
line,
make it like
it's
a
less likely to break the line. You know what I mean?
yeah, she gets it.
Yeah, this is some real sauce coming out today. Do I have to pay for this information?
Yeah, you owe me 50 Bitcoin.
50?
Wow.
Why so cheap?
Come on, family discount.
Wow, that's crazy.
Yo, funny
It's
enough,
a
Kane, you
Black
see my
Friday
model
sale.
just printed short.
Yeah.
Yeah, I added a contract there.
Oh, on the 5 second or what?
1 minute,
Oh,
15-minute.
oh,
Bearish
the
close.
shit. Did we have a bearish close? Damn.
Yeah.
The safety line is breaking, guys.
Oh
Wait,
no.
I know. I
Here,
fucked up. I fucked
let
up.
me
I know
hurry
what
up and
happened.
draw one.
Hey, look at this
Come on,
short,
don't.
man. We're cooking on this.
I got my safety line.
Yeah,
Oh
you need
no.
your safety line.
I think I used the wrong color.
All right,
Need to put some-
I'm gonna try to fill one out at 922.
It's crazy. The one time that this is gonna play. You know what?
Hopefully it goes to
Venom,
0, so I win.
the Venom model. Yeah, let's pray.
All right. What a short model printed, added to it. Thank you, chat, for telling me to short. That was all you guys.
So where are you getting out? That's the question.
Oh, I just exited one contract and I'm holding the rest.
Jeez,
I know.
big baller, 10,
Yeah,
10
big baller.
10 whole points.
Bro, we just went from $40 in profit to 62. You seeing this out here?
Calling ain't easy.
Yeah, and you know what that
Also-
means? Nobu is on the menu.
Nobu,
Actually, have
baby.
you guys been to Uchi? Uchi might be better than Nobu, even though I'm a big Nobu fan.
I'm gonna probably say something really controversial. I think Nobu is fucking overrated. Yeah, I said it.
How many have you been to around the world? You know, each one has their own menu.
Kane actually has never traveled.
Yeah, I don't travel at all. I would say the best Nobu I went to was in Dubai, and it's a beach club. That's how bad they are.
The one in West Hollywood's pretty good. The one in Waikiki's pretty good. I've been to the one in Monaco. That one's, reasonable. I've been to a lot of Nobus around the world, actually. It's like my thing. It's like my favorite thing to do.
Are you collecting Nobu stamps?
Yeah.
Sounds fucking expensive though.
Just
Traveling
make
to
more
collect.
money.
Yeah, I just think that I don't mind paying for Nobu. It's just overrated for the price, I think. But
They fly the fish in.
sorry, say that again.
They fly the fish in, so it's fresh.
Oh yeah, they fly me in as well. Do you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah, he's pretty fresh.
Uchi is good too. I think they have one in Miami, I think. There's a Uchi right over here. Nobu and Uchi are both walking distance from me.
um, Carmine, did you go to Mama's Fish House in Hawaii?
Yeah, that was insane.
Was it good?
For sure. Probably the best like seafood I've ever had.
I've actually never been to Hawaii. It's on the list, but it's quite literally the other side of the fucking world for me.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm going to the Maldives in November. Still haven't picked the place though. Does anyone any recommendations for the Maldives?
Never been.
Thieves. I know Moria a little bit better. Probably have like I don't know, Hilton or something out there, I assume, right?
Yeah, I mean,
Those little like little bungalow things.
I've heard good things about the Ritz-Carlton there, but apparently it just got redone, so I don't really know.
Do you know, or it's November rainy season for Maldives?
Just coming out of it, yeah. It's like back end of November, they're just coming out of the rainy season. But to be honest, it's kind of irrelevant. I'm going for my birthday and I can't change that. So
When's your birthday?
it's at the beginning of November, but I'm going in the middle. So
I heard the Holiday Inn there is pretty nice.
fucking hell. Yeah. Recommend you've been there? Recommend it?
Never been, but I heard good things.
Let's call Desi up, see what he says. He might have been. Kane with the long at the highs. Yeah, I was trying to prove myself wrong, you know? Like I was like, oh, I would short this. Let's just go long because I've been wrong so much. And then, yeah, I've kind of wrote this off now. But it's good. It's a good, like the daily. Well, yeah, I wouldn't look to fade this, you know, realistically tomorrow. I'd probably look to fade it maybe Wednesday if we get a good setup into Wednesday. It's a good day to have a competition on.
Oh yeah.
I wouldn't have wanted to try and trade this morning. That's for sure. With my real pennies.
Applebee's has 2 for 25. Do you remember when I feel like it used to be 2 for 20.
It
Those
was
were the good
Yeah, it
old
was.
days.
back when Subway had $5 sandwiches.
What are they now? Like
I don't know. I've
$9?
never been, but
You've never been to Subway?
well, like I haven't been in like 5 years.
He's rich
Yeah,
now.
actually, me
Come on,
neither.
he doesn't go to Subway anymore.
Yeah, have Kane come cook for me.
Whoa.
Here, I'll explain. Chat told me to short it. So I shorted right here when chat told me to with my stop on this high. And then when my model actually formed here, I just shorted with my stop on this and I moved it. So I had the same amount of risk. I just added a contract, which is like $8 of risk. So I couldn't really add any more. Wait, did we get 2 or 3 on?
3.
Oh, are you kidding?
Yeah, you're just scared, bro.
Should I add more? Chat, should I add?
I think you should reverse, to be honest.
Reverse?
Reverse.
I'm thinking if we
I'm in
go
a
up,
short.
Is it?
add. If I'm gonna add, it'll have to like go up into here. We start to form away, then I could add another and just move my stop to there. It'll have to form a swing in there. Otherwise, like right now, it could still just go run this high, and I don't trust it. So
This is probably one of the worst trading sessions in a while.
I
Yeah.
don't know what you mean.
I mean, look, in all honesty, if you're a bit more patient with it, I think gold really did offer a nice buy at that low.
All right.
Like coming out of here was nice. But like it was tough. Euro was absolutely ass all day. And indices, well, watching paint dry was probably better.
All right, I'm done with that thing.
Yeah, guys, make sure you click the link in the chat if you want to win some swag. I can vouch the swag is really nice. It's actually yeah, it's really high quality. So
Yeah. Some would say the swag is pretty swag.
pretty swag, yeah.
Yeah.
920 target's been
Yeah.
hit. Whoa.
And so I got out of my position that I added to because chat told me to.
Come on, 920s? Did 920s hit on NQ?
I don't know. I got out at these little lows right before it because. All right, wait. I'm actually going to drop something. This is what I look for. When I see a low like this where it already swept out previous and then a low right before it, I don't really look to target this. I always just do the one right before it because there's so many times that it misses this low. If you look, like I would have TP'd at that low, I'd just miss it. So that's why I had this one marked out.
That is some secret sauce right there.
Secret sauce. Secret sauce. And now I have nothing to do. What did we do? Let's see. Messed around in there. Got in here.
Fractal Firm
Oh.
has said something really true. That I will be on for my own soundbite at 350. That's crazy work.
It wasn't the plan. I was supposed to get $0 in profit. Shit.
Yeah, I mean, I would have hoped for a much larger day, as in more volatility, more expansion, further moves. It's just been very, very slow and been quite boring to actually talk about. Well, like there's only so much we can say about the market, and as of right now, it's not really doing it. And I don't like to be one of those people that talk through the lot like, oh, we're at these 925s, blah blah blah, 930s, 940s. Like it just adds no value unless it has context. Add at 931 if we get there.
No, I'm already out.
Jumped in with 20 micros. Must be nice. We're limited to 3. Thanks for rubbing it in. Appreciate that. The VIX has been dipping since we hit all-time high, and that's a bad sign.
Hard to look at VIX when it's at all-time high.
I have delayed the VIX data for some reason. It hasn't really gone anywhere, has it?
Oh,
It's approaching these lows. Yeah, I don't know.
yo, Salty, you still in those gold shorts?
I just opened one.
You just
Because
opened
why
one?
not?
Yeah. I was saying
What do I
because you were
have to
short.
lose? I was short at the 40.25s, but I covered it earlier.
Well, yeah, you were short there in the like 230s or like 230 time.
Yeah.
Yeah. It looks good to that low though.
Wait, are you only up $4 now?
Me?
No, you're up 65. Woof,
No, I'm
big
up
baller.
70. I know.
73.
Look at me. I started cooking NQ there for a scalp when I thought I could have got it to 100, but thought I only had 2 contracts, not 3. It's tough work. No, I think your gold will run to this low. But then like this is the same thing I was talking about on NQ, where this low has a sweep. So then like I like to target the low next to it. Do I only trade NQ? No, I'll watch gold and other things.
Just go around and do 2 truths, 1 lie? Nah, I'm good. Thank you, though. What happened to XYZ full tilt mode? Nah, he just sold. I think he
Diamond
sold.
hands. Well, he's
Yeah,
still
he's diamond
holding.
handed.
So did he really lose if he's still
Yeah,
holding?
it's unrealized.
It's
No,
unrealized.
I think he closed it out. He said
Did
just before he
he?
left. He just before he left, he's like, "That's it,
Oh,
chat.
that's too bad.
I'm locking in the 2K day." Little did they know it was 2K loss.
Should have just diamond hands it.
James, good luck, brother. Hoping it holds for you. I think it will. 275. $644 is the top 100 spot. So overall, very tough day. And so far, massive shout out to Josh C. 2.3K on the day, and Acro up 2K. That's absolutely unreal effort considering price action, in my opinion. Shout out to those guys.
Yeah, gold looks pretty good.
Yeah, I'm gonna diamond hands this thing into the close.
I'm wondering if I have to hedge myself against Salty here.
I mean, unless it really starts going.
It would have to fall off the face of the earth, I think. If I was a box, I'm not.
But you
I'm
never
long.
know.
True,
Yeah.
that
That's
is
my
a
motto.
fact. Anything
Never
can
know.
happen, right?
If it liquidates, it will go down fast.
That's typically how liquidations work.
Especially with gold.
Yeah, that's true.
The book is thinner. And then there's gaps in the book, so sometimes that you can get slipped if you have a stop loss. It's pretty
Pretty
brutal.
fun. Because what, you're short gold and short Nasdaq?
Yeah, that's where I'm at.
My ES long at the high is actually up money. Make that make sense. Oh no, I wasn't losing patience. Don't worry, I was just being sarcastic. It's just my dry British humor.
Let's see, ATR 1.5. I'm at 1.5 ATR for gold right now. I hold it. If we drop below 4,001.
Is that a MAGA hat? No, this hat is it's made by a company called Duke and Dexter. So it's just that. I look really sick. Wow, bro. You could just fucking say I look like shit. That would have been nicer. No, I actually don't feel too bad. I'm just congested. And my vape probably doesn't help. So gold about to reverse higher.
Sure about that.
Don't know. That's what I'm just reading chat. I'm just reading chat. I'm not in I'm not in analysis mode. I'm in
You sure
converse.
about that?
Are you sure about
You
that?
sure about
Sure about that?
Also, my wrist today saw something with a green band earlier. It doesn't matter. Thank you though. Appreciate you. That's it, NQ. Come on, come back.
You're long Nasdaq?
I'm long Nasdaq from 3,650, and I'm holding all of my trades into the close from here. So, yeah. Raja is adding to NQ. That is a bad sign. Raja is a solid trader, I'm sure. Leo should have traded soybeans, his favorite market. So, Willie, it seems you didn't read the rules. We're not allowed to trade soybeans today. We are only allowed to trade micro gold, micro NQ, micro ES, full 61, but geez, that thing's painful anyway, and micro oil. And I abandoned oil after realizing I was up like 20 ticks on a trade and it was like peanuts. So I gave up with that because that thing wasn't moving. And I think all of the money is in gold today.
I might have to enter a gold
necklace
short to
on.
hedge myself against Salty here.
Thanks, Hans.
I mean, I don't know. I'm not expecting much, but I guess if it breaks this 995, we'll see.
We got a new 15-minute candle, new 30-minute candle. So if it makes its upper wick and it starts to fall.
It's like the ATR is expanding for gold.
$30.
All right, chat, give me a minute. I have to run to my door because my groceries are here. Be right back.
ATR expansion down in gold. I didn't sweat it too much. I saw
The
a
only thing I
little ways
was
away.
watching on gold is it still has potential that it could go to the 60s today. If it really wanted to. That's what's marked out on my chart.
60s?
Yeah, it's quite a
That'd
far
be
move,
crazy.
but it was more so that was my target if it would have trended earlier today. But
What's
it's
the
like
ATR?
I don't even know the
For
ATR. I just
for
look at the
what?
chart.
For which one?
Gold.
Gold.
For the 5-minute, 1.5 ATR is 9.3. I use 1.5. $50 minutes, 14.6. We just had ATR expansion down.
one of the most boring days to trade with such a narrow range for MES. Yeah, I mean, MES 20-point range the whole day. I mean, one contract, it's $100. And that's saying you bought at the lows and sold at the highs.
Expected. We have a big week.
Yeah, for sure.
So there's a lot of
FOMC
contracts
Wednesday.
traded in the cash market, it looks like, for SPX.
I'm back.
Where am I on the leaderboard? Pretty far down, man. What am I at? 750?
Not bad.
I mean, basically, I just got railed off the open and then made it back and then just been chilling. Because I tried to long max leverage of every product at the same time. Or not long, but enter. So I'll watch gold here though, because this is a consolidation. We've had expansion down, consolidation. So if I want to participate in a move lower to here, and the only reason for that is it'd be a new 30-minute candle, right? So is this new 30-minute candle going to reach for the high or the low? To me, the low, which gives me a framework to say, okay, if we are going to continue lower there, I would need price to come up here, form a swing point, and then I could essentially scalp that into this low.
ES 6900. That's pretty crazy. 7K's coming.
Yeah.
10.
I can go back real quick and talk about, I exited my shorts right here. And the reason for that is when this is a protected low, I'm looking for the low to the right of it. And that's why I was looking for that. You can see. That's why I didn't want to hold shorts beyond that. Didn't flip though, so. Did that make sense for you, Sarah? Does that make sense? About the gold? Oh, gold is just, I don't prefer to enter at the low of the day, but if I am trying to enter lower, I'm trying to trade essentially a wick of a higher time frame candle. So we have a new 30-minute candle that opened up 7 minutes ago. So if price is going to form its upper wick, it'll open, make a wick, and then trade lower into previous 30-minute low, and then if it wants to go lower. So essentially, I was looking for this. I could still consider taking it, as a scalp, but I would have to have my stop not on that. Essentially, I'd have to trade some sort of individual candle in here. But expansion, consolidation, when you have a consolidation, you want to trade the edges of the range. So, like if it looked like this, I would be short. But it looks like that. So there's no way for me to short that. Unless I do something silly. Am I not loud enough?
No, bro, you're
Someone's
loud.
saying if I'm
Don't worry
whispering.
about it.
All right. Someone's saying I was whispering.
Bro, you could be shouting and they'd tell you you're too quiet. Don't worry about it.
All right.
Yeah, see, how are you going to trade this tomorrow, Carmine? What's going to be the plan?
I don't even know.
Do you
I mean, there's not
typically...
gonna be any new levels or nothing from today. It's
Gap
just
fill.
Yeah.
right up. I mean, there's 2 unfilled gaps. So yeah, it's really rare to see 2 unfilled gaps on ES.
You heard it first, chat. Short all day tomorrow. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Yeah, no, I agree with you. I personally hate trading at all-time high markets. I'm not a fan. It doesn't mean I won't do it, but it'll just be super low time frame and super low risk. Just
Yeah, I mean, there's all these intraday scalps you could do, but I mean, when the volatility is this low, especially for the competition trading MES, I mean, it's not even worth it. Make $100 a trade. I mean, even if you made $100, you'd be winning it right now. But
yeah. Yeah, that's true.
Oh shit, I forgot I was in Nasdaq shorts. Oops.
Uh,
The
dude,
swag
gold.
is drawing in 20 minutes. Take this as your reminder. Two things. You guys need to like the stream. And secondly, you should enter the swag giveaway. Because if you don't, you'll regret it. Sorry, go on, boys. Carry on. What were you saying?
I was gonna say that I was gonna short this, but gold already took the low when micros haven't, which is it's a bit silly.
So all these positions close at 5, right? So we get an extra hour of trading past the stream. Kane, hook me up with the swag. Enter the giveaway, bro. I'll see what I can do.
The
I know.
hoodie is mad comfortable.
Yeah, I
Ninja.
happened to leave the hat in Naples. So if I could get a hookup for another hat, that'd be great. Nothing going
DoorDash
on
you one.
today. You know, DoorDash me one.
Is that PAX?
That's PAX. The PAX
Yo,
group is
PAX.
PAX.
How's it going, man?
Can we get an algo warning in real time? No, because I sound like shit today.
All right, shall we watch the indices? I think they're going to be a bit more fun into the close.
Accept the forgiveness that the market is offering you.
Maybe after the cash settlement.
Yeah,
Yeah, what
350.
time does these sim accounts close? Is it cash or?
No, 5. You can even open till 5.
Well,
You never know,
if I had to
might dump
guess,
after the cash settlement.
Maybe.
yes, we're in the highs.
Excuses, Kane, excuses. What do you mean? What am I making excuses for? No, you lot will hear it. Don't worry.
All right, let's see. I think NQ gives us one more run of this high.
Was it Waitrose or M&S? Ocado, bro. Come on, don't insult me like that. But I do love fucking M&S shop. For a lot of you Americans, you'll have no idea what that is.
M&S?
Yeah, Marks and Spencers.
No clue.
Yeah, no clue.
What's like a upstreet supermarket for you guys? Like if someone was going to a supermarket and you were like, yeah, that's a posh person's supermarket.
Erewhon.
There you go. It's like that.
They're opening one in Dallas, so I can buy a like $50 smoothie or something.
Yeah, exactly. It's literally exactly like that.
Make it feel like, I'm back home again.
But I don't go there because it's most expensive. I go there because it's the closest to my house.
You don't gotta lie to kick it.
No. Like
Just
I'm not.
kidding. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, I'm not married to my status from which supermarket I shop at. Because I could quite happily go to Aldi and buy the meat from Aldi because the meat from Aldi is kind of good. Be careful being long gold. Hell, that's my 40-16 long packs.
I go to the Korean market. That's where I get my groceries.
Is there a Lidl in the UK? There is a Lidl in the UK. Up there with the Waitrose. Come on.
I had to hedge myself against salty.
Why?
I don't know if it dumps, I'm not trying to have you come back against me on gold.
I'm actually like full porting everything right now. No, just kidding. I'm not.
Jeez.
I'll risk like the $30 or whatever.
I should just throw a Hail Mary into the close and just short everything.
What percentage of people move to the final? It's the top 20%?
10%.
10. There you go, 10. So top 1,000 people move to the final, which as of right now means if you are basically in profit for the day, you move forward to the final.
Literally.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
You guys doing the most you possibly can to simply keep talking during the boring ass markets. GG's, thank you. Have I ever been to Sweden? Nah, I haven't actually. Team Carmine will be in the finals. I would hope Carmine's going to be in the finals. I think he is going to be there. But yeah. What are these questions, by the way?
Answer it.
Do I like blondes? Yeah, I do like blondes, but I'm not
Nah, he hates
I'm not
blondes.
partial to a nice brunette. That's all I can say, you know?
It's too funny.
This is what my chat's like on Wednesdays. Nice little call to action there. The Arena Cup 3 qualifier is almost full. If you do want to participate in that, you need to register for that, and the link is in the chat right now. When is the final? The final is, let me check.
November 17th, I think.
Yeah, 17th. I think.
November 17th, and that is the final, November 17th, and that is the day that I am flying to the Maldives. So I will wish you all good luck from there.
All right, let's see. I think we were on this high, and then if we react on this high right here, we could trade it back lower into these lows. So we'll watch that. That could be potentially fun. So
Big Daddy Max is the Messi of trading. Cool. Yeah, I've never seen him trade, but I'm sure. He's a great guy, though. We had a blast in Miami. Holy. Oh, I realized the guy didn't even mean to ask blondes. I think he misspelled something else. Are the winners from the streamer going to battle it out also in the final?
I think everyone's in the final, right?
Yeah, we're in a different competition. We actually can't compete or place in the main competition.
Yeah.
So if you randomly see a streamer up like a fat in a final, don't stress. They can't win the main final.
Goes to a charity though.
Yeah, it goes
I think
to
whoever wins, what is it, like 25K to a charity?
It's 25K to a charity.
I heard of a Trader Kane charity if I win.
Yeah. It goes to the relief fund of the Porsche GT3 RSs with bad owners. We retrieve those.
Yeah.
I like GT2 RS better.
Our friend has a GT4 RS. It's actually quite nice.
Yeah. Yo, Zach, that was just in the chat. He got a new GT4 RS this year.
Yeah. Once I win, I'll split the 100K with the chat. Screenshot it, guys.
I have it screenshotted.
If Sales Trades wins, that's it.
I took my hedge L against Market Mommy. Got stopped out.
Oh, my ES long is off the screen. ES is pulling away that much. 10 points, and it's off the screen. We just need gold to rally here at the cash close, and then just get me out of this drawdown, and the day doesn't look half as bad as it once did. Oh no, it still does.
Oh, I have my different watch list up. Yo.
Can you ask me questions about society? No.
I actually hear Kane texted me earlier. He just said, I hope people don't ask me about trading, but only ask questions about society. So I think he's actually lying to you and he wants all those questions.
Don't believe him, chat. Go unsubscribe from TTrades YouTube.
Unsubscribe. Yo, Carmen, you trade options, yeah?
Very rarely.
Very rarely. Oh, okay, never mind then.
You, right? You do?
I used to trade a lot.
Attention traders, it's algo time.
That's the first time I've been here for that. They play that at 3:50-ish every day.
Well, I thought that you were like jumping on and saying it every time.
Yeah.
Thought it was live this whole time.
We've been tricking everyone. Don't worry. Whoa, nice little spike.
Nice. We got more range in the last 30 seconds than we did all afternoon.
NQ just had a 12.5 point spike. That's not too bad. ES gave us 2.5. And gold is now continuing its descent downwards.
What a good time.
Damn. That's it, boys and girls. I'm just longing highs from now on. Stowe, I may have messed up in the morning, but I hope you're proud of me this afternoon.
Yo, should I get my account to $0?
Why not?
You
I
should.
feel like
Sure.
that'd be kind of fun. All right, we'll see if we can do that.
No, leave it. Get it to
Why?
Get it to 69.42.
All right,
If you do that, I will buy you a Porsche GT3 RS.
How do I get one?
That is no. I don't have the liquidity to buy two. Otherwise, I would also buy one. I'd have to sell some things.
I'm gonna try to get it right to 0.
The market bows to Kane. Don't be fooled. I'm $256 down on my gold long.
Dang, bro.
Can I bring it back so that I'm not 1.2K down on the day and I'm just 1K? Oh, we're close, chat. We're close.
So close. It's a pretty wild end of day move.
NQ's only 20 points away. Well, no, 40 points away from 26K.
Yeah. Yeah. What a Monday. All right, let's see if I can get this to 2069.442.
Yeah. Jose did tell us, chat, that NQ was going higher. So we have Jose to thank for this.
He is trying to lose and he's making money.
Yeah.
I'm either going to get this to 0 profit on the day or 69. That's the goal.
Damn, we got 3 people above 2K now with 4th and 5th, more or less at the exact same balance. That doesn't seem sus. About $50 off of 2K. If anyone in the top 5 wants to split their P&L with me and bring me back to break even on the day, I'm open to it.
Yeah, I keep forgetting to look at the minis instead of the micro contracts, and it's throwing me off. I'm like, oh, I will take this low, and just reverses.
So the balance, the trading competition ends at 5 o'clock today. Cool. Push. And then people in the qualifier move to the final. The next time you'll see most of the streamers will be throughout the week. Typically, I stream on Wednesdays with Leo. I'll be back on Wednesday. And then the rest of the time for the competition-wise, you will see them in the qualifiers for the 3rd round and then the 4th round. Is there a 4th round?
Nah, the 4th round is the championship, I think.
Yeah, it's 4th is a championship.
The
Yeah.
chipper. The chipper.
When will the winner be announced for the giveaway? Let me check with production.
That will be Jim will come on after we are done, and he will announce that. Unless I'm mistaken, and I will get a message.
Okay, that's what we're hearing. Thank you. Go
But
on.
like, make sure you guys don't leave,
Being
or
in
else
the
I
Nasdaq.
don't think you can win the giveaway if you're gone. So
Yeah, you
stay
have to,
around.
you have to stick around. If you're not here, you don't win. And we do check.
Okay, wait. I'm actually pretty close to being able. I just need another little move down on gold, and I can probably get it to $69 in profit. Wait, how many points do I need? I'll do the math.
Bears getting margin called here or auto liquidated.
Oh, you could trade this account on TradingView and not know that.
Yeah.
I had to pay, or like you just have to pay for the add-on.
Whoa. Yeah, I think you do. Well, yeah, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, you can. You can use the NinjaTrader or the TradeAway API. So you just go in the bottom corner down here, and then it'll just, you basically click select broker, select NinjaTrader or TradeAway, and then log in with the credentials, select demo, and it will log you into this account. What add-on? There's a TradingView add-on.
This is too funny.
That's it, guys. Roddy told everyone to double down on their moves, and now everyone is up money. It's free. The add-on's free. Yeah, don't know why T just said you had to pay.
I had to pay this morning when I was trying to get it for demo. It was like $10.
Can't believe you have to take TTrades out for steak dinner and give him a 5K check. Which one's going to hurt more?
I think the steak dinner is gonna hurt him more.
Yeah, he's been holding off on that one for a while.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to make a drive down to Naples, get that done.
CK, what was the message? Sorry, what did you say? He is a bro. Blondes like candy. Kane baby. Bro tries hard not to read my message. There you go. I read them all. No glasses for anyone, sorry. But what I did see is I did see a really nice pair of Chrome Hearts glasses with emerald set in the side. So if anyone can get hold of a pair of those, DM me, please. Yeah, I did read that. I just can't say that one on stream. And the answer is no, I don't. Oh, there you go. Yeah, he knew what he wanted me to read. I'm glad I saw the stream. Thanks, NinjaTrader, for exposing. Okay, let's delete that. I should read these before I read them out loud. That was not a nice message. I'm not sponsored by the glasses I wear, and I've sent several people to them. So, yeah, we've got 2 minutes here until the official futures market close. Just as a reminder to everyone, though, you may see everyone's P&L today and think, wow, everyone sucks. But like being forced to trade a market, and when I say forced, I mean no one's actually really forcing, but for entertainment purposes and in the spirit of competition, we're only really competing against each other, and we all don't really care about who wins and who loses. So if you see someone down a large amount or up a large amount, take it with a pinch of salt. It's one day. Doesn't really determine who is or isn't a good trader based on one day.
I was taking 50 trades in a day.
Yeah, Carmine's a one and done guy, and he's traded more than this day than he has the last month. So yeah, I am bankrupt. Oh my gosh, I am. That's true. I just hope they don't see the watch collection, the car, the house. I hope they don't take any of these. That would be awful.
Interrupt. TTrades. How many trades per day do you usually take? Like max one. Like I just take one trade normally. That's it.
Wow. SB24274. Will Carmine be back onto stream on Ninja? Carmine?
Possibly, yeah. For sure.
Put him on the spot. And there it is.
Well, I thank everyone for being here. Thanks everyone for
It was fun
streaming.
while it lasted.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
was.
But make sure you guys stay around. Jim's gonna hop on, do the giveaway. So if you want a chance to win that, if you still haven't signed up, go ahead and click that link in the comment section and get signed up, and you have a chance to win the giveaway. So with that said, hope you guys have a great rest of your day. See ya.
Cheers, guys.
Bye.
Congrats to the
All right.
winners.
All right, all right. Thank you, folks. Great job this afternoon. And what Kane said is absolutely right. It is tough to trade under certain conditions that you don't make on your own in front of everybody in a limited amount of time, but they all did a great job. So let's hit that thumbs up button. Let's hit that subscription button. Appreciate you guys being here with us for sure. Especially, we got some new folks in the stream today, right? Carmen and also Carmine. Apologize for that. And Salty. So appreciate you guys being gamers for that. Well, now is the time you've all been waiting for. Hopefully, you guys are in the chat. So I am going to name the 5. I'm sorry about that. You don't have to be in chat. All right. So this is it, man. This is locked in stone. I got the 5 winners right here. First winner is Taylor Gwen. Taylor, congratulations. You get the swag package. I mean, look at this, man. This definitely does not skimp when it comes to swag. This is some good stuff. Taylor Gwen, number 1. Michael Wengert, number 2. Congratulations, Michael. Number 3, Stefano Morsi. Stefano, thank you very much for being part of the NinjaTrader live community. We appreciate that. Number 4, these are all names I could pronounce, actually. This is great. Zach Monroe. Zach Monroe, number 4. Appreciate you, Zach. Thank you for participating. And then last but not least, Brian Helms, number 5. Brian Helms, congratulations. Those are the 5 winners on the swag today. Appreciate everybody being part of the NinjaTrader live community. Truly awesome community. You will have more opportunities, no doubt, going forward. I just want to remind everybody, tomorrow, we have a really great lineup tomorrow. We have a special guest, Tommy Grizafi. Tommy is at Agbull Media. That's his X handle. He's going to be a special guest early tomorrow morning. Farm is going to be with us on Tape Talk. Who knows what he's going to say? You might want to be there for that one. Trading the Open, Merritt Black and Chris trading boxes. Midday markets, XYZ. And then trading the close is Leo the Big Cat and XYZ. We'll be back for a double dose tomorrow. Having said all that, folks, thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of NinjaTrader Live. You are all awesome. Until then, remember, be safe out there. Be good to each other. We'll see you tomorrow.